So the basis document where safety and health at work are defined is the Occupational Safety and Health Act. And analyzing the law, in addition to the basic principle, we found important the principles of prevention and the principle of cooperation of subjects. The principle of prevention requires the employer to increase the state of safety and health at work on all organizational levels by implementing different measures, while the principle of cooperation of entities actually emphasizes the importance of cooperation between all actors to ensure safety and health at work. Another important set are the obligations of the employer and the employee. The employer is therefore the one who must ensure a safety and healthy work environment. In addition, his obligations include a written risk assessment, which possesses danger to employees during the work process, preparation and adoption of safety statements, and the duty to inform employees about safe and healthy work. The employee must actually also bear part of the obligations because they have to be acquainted with safety measures, and there are, of course, many obligations for both employers at the workplaces that we have not mentioned. Now, if we go, just give me a second to turn the slide. If we turn to the safety declaration and the risk assessment, one of the employer's obligation is to draw up a risk assessment and a safety statement. The risk assessment is the employer's fundamental document on health and safety at work. The measures to be taken preventatively would help to reduce the possibilities of injury, danger, or any injury in the work process that may occur. Workplace health promotion is actually a 5-step activity. The first step is actually the start of activities that happen when we present to the management the benefits of implementing promotion in the workplaces. The second step is assessing the needs, and this is the part where we set the priorities of the program. The third step is preparation of the program, is where we actually set the objectives and the time in which we want to achieve them. Last but not least is the implementation of the program, which is for it to be successful, we must constantly inform our employees about the progress. And the last one is monitoring and evaluating. It's for the successful implementation of the program, it is important to carry it in accordance with the objectives we set, and therefore we actually must regularly monitor and evaluate it and inform our employees and management of its results. When it comes to training our workers for safety and health and the workplaces, they must actually carry out the necessary tests of theoretical and practical competence for the safety and the safe work and safety they carry out at the workplaces. For those workers who are working at jobs where injuries are more frequent, they must carry out those occasional examinations and practical training every 2 years. And because safety and health at work is a very hot topic at the moment, some European multinationals corporations actually started to promote the introductions of VHPIs, which is an international acronym for measures to promote health in the workplace. They actually provide an insight into the well-being of an employee in the workplace and include several different criteria, including healthy nutrition, sport activities, exercises for pain relief, preventing addiction, returning an employee to his job. There are many benefits of safety and health at the workplace, which is mentioning the physical and the physical field, which has an impact on better eating, recreational habits, and reduces existing health problems and prevents future health problems. Companies with higher safety and health standards are more successful and stable, and studies actually estimate that investing in occupational safety and health pays off, and that the cost-benefit ratio of improving safety and health is affordable. Improving the culture of prevention actually requires action at the workplace at a national level. The level of workplace requires technological improvements such as engineering supervision, compliance with regulations, and the introduction of occupational safety and health management. The national level actually requires also that the national agenda prioritizes workers' health. And writing this paper, we realized that there are further avenues for research in this area. More research is needed actually on how to reduce and manage workplace stress and harassment, which according to the analysis are one of the most difficult challenges. The new risks that have arisen and arises in the future in this area also need to be considered, and the research could also be carried out in the field of activities and measures aimed at employees to maintain and strengthen their physical and mental health and apply this to current and future challenges and possible various changes in the work environment. To sum up everything and to conclude it, we put on a little quote by Don Brown that says, an incident is just at the top of the iceberg, a sign of a much larger problem below the surface, which we wholeheartedly agree with. So that would be all from our part. Thank you for your attention.